In this problem, you're given a long problem, but it's not hard if you simplify it down and combine it into smaller numbers. The only thing that's weird about this problem is the 4 square root. After you simplify down and you combine like terms, you're going to be left with 4 square root x over 3 over y over 16x over 6. Once you get down to that, you're going to cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you're going to have y over 4 equals 65,536 x to 27. You're going to take the 27x and times it with the square root on each side, and you'll get down to the answer of x equals 27 square root y over 1.508. On problem 2, we're going to be using an apparent function. And that parent function is going to give us one graph, and we're going to change it when we're given different equations on the graph. After we're given the parent function, we're going to be giving all these other graphs. Now what you're going to do with this problem, when you're given 3, what you're going to have to do is translate up 3 on the graph. When you're given a minus 3, you're going to have to translate down just for the reverse process of the graph. When you're given 3f of x, what you're going to have to do is multiply the y values by 3 for each point on the line, giving you where you need to put the graph. And on the next one, you're going to have the opposite and have a horizontal shrink. Now, once you hit this problem, what's going to happen is you're going to have to translate to the left 3 unions. And when you're given the opposite of it, you're going to have to translate right 3 units. And then once you hit this graph, what you're going to have to do is have the y-intercept is 0, so it reflects across the x-axis. And on this problem, the weird part about it is really nothing. All it is the reverse of the graph. So you're going to have the first graph, and all it is pretty much the opposite of it. On problem number 3 is one of the simplest problems on our test. We're given a simple equation, but only with the weird part of having 3 square root t. We're going to simplify by minusing 75.8 to h and get down to where we get 7.1072 equals 3 square root t. We're going to times 3 by each side, giving us our answer 359 years.
What I've learned in this life lesson that we learned is that I need to, I'm a lion, so I need to work on things that I do bad, in the sense that I need to not be more controlling. I need to work on that, and how I have to be more accepting of things and be flexible. And the life lessons helped a lot, because I've noticed that I've done that with people, and now that I've fixed that a lot by not doing that.